Baratza Virtuoso Plus Conical Burr Coffee Grinder with Digital Timer Display. Specialty Coffee Association award-winning grinders, Baratza grinders are preferred by coffee professionals and backed by Baratza's world-class support. Digital Timer and BACKLIT GROUNDS bin, a 40-second digital timer, adjustable to a tenth of a second, and in LED BACKLIT GROUNDS bin to dose ground coffee accurately and consistently. 40 grind settings, with enhanced commercial-grade conical burrs to help you explore an extensive range of brew methods: espresso, Aeropress, Hario V60, Chemex, French press, and automatic brewers. Stylish, a sculptured metal top and base give the Virtuoso Plus a modern image that highlights your coffee corner. Warranty quality parts, engineered with 40mm hardened alloy steel burrs manufactured in Liechtenstein, Europe, plus a powerful DC motor. This combination creates a consistent grind and durability, ensuring the longevity users have come to expect from the Baratza brand. The Virtuoso Plus is backed by Baratza's world-class support and a 1-year warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.